guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to get this cute, easy, and simple flower nail art. I've come to figure that nail art videos aren't the easiest to film, so I'm still figuring out angles and lighting and all that, but I do hope you enjoy. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like these types of videos. Alright guys, so for this you are going to need a dotting tool. Mine is a little bit dirty, but it looks like this. It does have a larger dot side and a smaller dot side. This you can get at Walmart, you can get off at Amazon, I'm pretty sure. But if you don't have one of these dotting tools, you can most definitely use a bobby pin. Oh, let me just grab it. A bobby pin. The bobby pin, if you see the ends, it also has like a rounded end. So you can use that for dotting. You're also going to need a toothpick, so go ahead and get that ready. And this is optional. A clean piece of Kleenex or toilet paper to have on your side to wipe down your things. You can see here from my previous flowers. But that's optional. I use my fingers also. You can see that they're dirty, but it washes off. I don't mind that, but if you do want this, have it on the side. I did go ahead and do all my nails already except for these two right here, which I will be showing you. Every time I do my nails, I always use a clear base coat. This one's from Sally Hansen, the Hard as Nail Strengthener. Also, go ahead and pick your base color. I chose this one. It's like a pinky corally because it's fun for spring. I always do 2 coats for my base color. I went ahead and I did my middle finger and my ring finger, all of it. The rest of my nails, I decided to just leave them French. And yes, my middle finger is shorter than the rest of my nails because it did recently break and I didn't want to cut the rest of my nails because I just love my long nails and I didn't want to cut them. So it's in the awkward phase of growing out. Next, all you have to do is just pick your color of the flower that you want to do. I usually pick white because it just goes with everything and it pops out more than other colors. Mine is from Sinful Colors in Snowy White. I also went ahead and chose this darker purple color for the middles of the flowers, and this one is in Bahama Mama. So what I do is I'm just going to rub my dotting tool onto the brush to get some of that white onto the dotting tool. Then I'm going to start dotting. I usually do 5 dots because that's how many petals I like to do. Here we go. 1, and you can make them as big as you want. And the closer they are, I find it comes out as a better flower. If you need to add more nail polish onto your dotting tool, go ahead and do that. That is what my dots look like. They're not even at all, but that is okay. They don't have to be perfect. I usually do 2 fingers at a time because I do want those dots to get kind of like tacky before moving on to the next step. So I'm going to go ahead and do the dots on my ring finger. After I'm done with my 2 fingers, that's when I go ahead and wipe that off. You can do the Kleenex or you can just do it with your fingers. That's why I am all dirty. So by the time that I am done dotting my second finger, I go back to the first finger, my first dots that I did. Oh, and I forgot to mention this. Make sure your base color before doing the dots, your base color is completely dry because if it's not, this step will make it really, really messy. So what you do is you're going to dip your toothpick in the middle of the dot, one of the dots, choose whichever one you want. You're going to place it and then drag it inwards like that. And then each time you do this, you do want to wipe the end of the toothpick for the next petal. So again, middle of the dot, drag it in, clean it off, middle, drag it in, clean it off, middle, drag it in, clean it off, middle, drag it in, and clean it off. And then you're going to, oops, sorry. And then you're going to have your flower that looks like this. You're just at the middle part of the flower. Again, I chose this color from Essie. It's like a dark purple. And for that, I'm going to use the smaller dot ball thingy of the dotting tool. I'm going to be doing the same. Just touch it to the dotting tool and go ahead and just place it in the middle of your flower.
If you do want to be a little bit more glitzy, you don't have to use nail polish for the middle of the flower. You can use little round circular jewels for that, which is what I did for my ring finger. So I'll do it for this ring finger as well. And the color is up to you. I chose to do a light pink for that one. I could have chosen a purple as well, but it's just up to your creativity, whatever you want to do. So in order to place the jewel onto the middle of the finger, go ahead and grab your clear base coat or top coat that you use. And I'm going to place a little bit of that right in the center, like that. Take your dotting tool, and with this, I'm going to pick up one of the jewels, like that, and then just place it on the finger, and voila! All you have left to do is to apply a clear top coat to all of your fingernails to seal in that design that you did. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you found this nail art easy. It's fun and beautiful for spring, so definitely give it a try. Remember, practice makes better. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!